Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how we can do ads. We can promote our posts or videos on Instagram. Instagram is very popular. The ads are bit costly, uh, but it comes with the package mostly if you market with Facebook and Instagram together through Meta ad campaign manager. It comes together with Facebook. So we are on Instagram. This is my homepage. This is my desktop homepage. Uh, and if I go to my profile at the bottom, I click on my profile. This is my profile, my company profile of Revoke. This I'm showing this on desktop. There is a different way how you can do ads on your phone. So I'll make and upload that video also. So at the top, you can see edit profile, view archive and add tools. Once I click on add tools, you see there is option to manage ads and boost content. So Instagram allows you to boost your posts and videos. So if you want to promote, if you want to do advertising, you need to create a post first and then you need to boost it. Directly also you can create ad. So here we have option of create ad. So first let's do boost content. So once I click on boost content, I will be asked to select my posts or reels or stories through which I can promote or I can boost. So if I select this post and click on next, I'll be asked to select the audience. What do you want people to do when they see your ad? Visit your profile, visit your website. If we click on visit on website, then I'll be asked to uh, enter the website address and action button. Learn more, shop now, watch more, contact us, sign up, or message you. You can ask the users to message you directly. These are the options. Who do you want to see your ad? Here you get the suggested audience. That's the best way to go. Or you can create your own targeting options. Like if I create my own targeting option, audience name, location, interest, age, gender, all these things I can select. So it's very comprehensive, and the UI is very easy, very simple. There is a daily budget estimate which you can do, and then you have to set the duration or run this ad until I pause it, and then you can boost your post. Now, if I go back, Instagram gives you another option to create ad, that is here on desktop. You can create an ad, click on create an ad, upload media from your ad, or boost content from profile, compare two posts. You can compare two of your posts or boost content profile, that the content we did. Upload media from your ad, uh, then you can select photo or video, and then you can select this picture. Then you can create your ad. You can click next, write a caption. So this will create a post, and then you have to boost it like the one we did previously. So it's the same thing. You can create a post or video, put it on your page, and then you need to boost it. I guess that's simple on the desktop. If we do it on the phone, it will be process will be slightly different, but more or less same. We'll do it. I'll post that video also.